The Mazda CX-5 infotainment system can be reset in a few ways to resolve common issues like freezing or unresponsiveness. The simplest is a soft reboot. Press and hold the power volume button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. This fixes minor glitches. For more severe problems, a factory reset is available in Settings, System, Factory Reset. Note that this will erase all your personal data, so back up important information beforehand. Touchscreen calibration can be accessed via a hidden menu. Press volume knob when starting the car if the screen is not responding accurately to touch. Mazda's newer models are receiving over-the-air updates to fix bugs and increase reliability. If your model is old, it might be running on older software, which OTA updates may not be applicable. If a reset doesn't solve the problem, ensure your Mazda CX-5 is running the latest software. Check for OTA updates via the Mazda Connected Services app. The latest software version, v10.5, released June 2025, includes stability fixes for touchscreen responsiveness. Note that older models use resistive touchscreens, which are more prone to calibration errors and need cleaning to keep free of debris. Models from 2024 onwards come with improved capacitive touchscreens. If hardware is the core issue, Mazda recalled many models from 2020-2022 for sensitivity issues. You can also check with your Mazda dealer to see if your model is eligible for free diagnostics. For safety, always perform resets while parked and in park mode.